Hi everyone, back with another easy keto recipe. We have got buffalo ranch bacon chicken sandwiches, and this recipe makes 4 sandwiches. Here's what you will need: 1 pound of ground chicken, bacon, cheese slices, tomato and lettuce, a keto style bun, olive oil for cooking, ranch dressing, a buffalo style sauce, and then you will need a tablespoon, 2 fry pans, a spatula, and a set of tongs. Let's go ahead and cook up our bacon first. It's 6 slices, 2 per sandwich, and turn it on a heat higher than medium. While that's cooking, let's take our chicken breast, put it into a big bowl. This is a 1 pound package, and you want to add over it 2 eggs, and then pink salt and pepper, and then you're going to mix this up. Now, it's going to appear kind of wet, but don't worry. They do cook really good that way. Now let's line a plate with a paper towel for our bacon. When the bacon's cooked, set that out. And then the bacon grease, you want to keep that because we're going to cook our chicken sandwiches in it. Turn the heat to a medium heat now. Patty out 4 chicken breasts, and then you're going to put it into the bacon grease. You can put pink salt and pepper on them. When they're done, go ahead and flip them. And then when they're all done, let's go ahead and dress them up. I dressed up 2 of them. You just see 2 there. Here's the 2 that I'm getting ready to dress up. You want a keto style bun, put 2 pieces of chicken on it, a serving of ranch dressing, a serving of a buffalo style sauce, and I'm using wild wing sauce there. Any buffalo sauce will work. And then you'll need bacon, 2 slices on each sandwich, a very thin slice of a tomato, and then you will need some shredded lettuce or regular lettuce. A head of lettuce will work just as good. And then do a slice of cheese with each one. And then you can pair it with a veggie, a salad. I paired it with the keto style fries that I've done before. And that recipe will be again in my Food and Fun Friday. There you go, you guys. I made a ketchup and mayo dip for the fries. And this was absolutely delicious. The sandwich was only 4 net carbs. With the fries, it was a total of, I believe, 6 net carbs, and absolutely delicious. Again, another meal your whole family will enjoy. Make it for the kids too. Keep it keto.